Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Alright guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing turmeric tea that helps you so much for belly fat. Not only does it help you for belly fat, it keeps your body energized, and it also helps to flush out all of those stuff going on in your body, cleaning your colon, and it does a whole lot of things. Okay, so you have to follow it just where I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now let's dive into the video. Okay, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's go. An effective belly fat remedy, you're going to be needing to use garlic. All right, now garlic is very effective for this home remedy because it helps so much for the skin. All right, so I had to use this big knife because I can't find some of my small knife. I don't even know where they are right now. So I know some of you guys are going to leave the video and comment about this big knife. So I'm actually going to be using it to scrape this ginger. Did I say garlic? Sorry guys, I've said garlic all along. Ginger guys, not garlic. Okay, so it helps for cold, flu, cough and catarrh. Yeah, so okay, so after peeling it all up, now I would have to be cutting it up into tiny pieces. And this is it. So after doing that, then we'll have to be turning that into a pot. So excuse my pot and don't talk about my pot, okay? Okay, so then we're gonna be needing garlic. Garlic is actually very important for this. Okay, so we're gonna be heating it open so that we'll be putting all of the fullness of it into this pot. Yeah, now you need garlic a whole lot. Yeah, you need garlic a whole lot. Now after breaking that, I'll literally be using my hand to just open everything up. Yeah, it's gonna be simple after breaking it just like that. Need more garlic. That's if you're gonna be keeping this ingredients, if you're gonna be cooking it and keeping it. Yeah, you need more garlic in it because you're gonna be re-cooking it. Okay, so after doing this, then I would have to be using my knife, and then I'll have to be cutting it like that. Okay, then I'll pack it and put it inside the pot. Then I'm going to get some water. I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of water, and this is what I need. Okay, so we're going to be putting it on the pot, and for this you have to allow it to cook for like 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, before you remove it from the pot. So I'm actually going to be waiting for it to cook, and then I'll be right back to show you other ingredients. This is it guys, it's been boiling for like 3 to 5 minutes, and what I'm going to do now is that you're going to turn it into a cup just like that, and the first thing you're gonna be needing to put in is honey. Okay, this is actually going to help to sweeten the taste, but I'm not going to be putting it right now. You're going to be needing to use apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar would help so much in making this treatment work effectively. It's going to help so much to wash down all of the fat cells, mixing it up with this ginger and garlic hot water. So what we're going to be putting in here is going to be 2 cups of this. Okay, 2 cups of the apple cider vinegar. Now because there is no any other very strong ingredient here, that's why you need 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. And now you can be putting in the honey. Okay, so you're going to be this honey is optional. If you want this treatment to work really fast, as soon as possible, you have to drink it this way. Okay, but if you want to sweeten the taste a little bit, you're going to be using honey. You're going to be putting honey in here, and then you're going to be stirring it all up. Now the honey is actually going to help to change the color of this drink, and this is really great. Okay, so you drink this morning and afternoon and evening for 2 weeks, and let me know how it is, because this is actually very effective. Now it's actually going to help to occupy your stomach. You're not going to be drinking too much of soda and stuff if you want this treatment to really work. And reduce the intake of fatty food, guys. Okay, because you have to reduce the intake for this to work, because if you don't reduce the intake, it's as if you're taking this and it's removing your fat and then you're consuming more fat. Okay, so reduce the intake and you are good to go. Okay, so try this out and you're gonna be loving it. So that's it. Turmeric tea is amazing. It tastes really great too, not too bad, although I don't like the smell of turmeric, but it tastes nice. Okay, so go give this a try and wash down all of those parts, and get your body back and get your slim fit body back. All right, so that's it. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video, guys. Bye.